Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your PS5 is updated and your Xbox One controller supports Bluetooth. This matters because firmware adds controller compatibility. Next, decide, wired via USB-C or wireless via Microsoft Xbox wireless adapter. Plug the adapter into the PS5 USB port or have a quality USB-C cable at hand. Once done, power the controller and put it into pairing mode. This is the first actionable step that connects hardware before you proceed to pair and configure input. If wired, connect the cable and press the controller's Xbox/PS button to register as a USB device. The PS5 will accept button mapping automatically. If using the Xbox wireless adapter, press its pairing button, then the controller's sync button until LEDs flash. The adapter handles low latency input. For Bluetooth-capable Xbox One controllers, go to PS5 Settings, Accessories, Bluetooth Devices, and select the controller. Make sure to test buttons and stick. You finish by testing the controller in a menu and a game to confirm button mapping and analog behavior. This verifies practical control. If you encounter lag, dead buttons, or incorrect mapping, repair the device, try a different USB port, or update the controller firmware via Xbox Accessories app on a PC. These steps often resolve conflicts. If problems persist, consider a third-party adapter that offers explicit PS5 mapping support. That can be a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.